I'm Jenny May from Hereford Yoga Centre.
And I'm Cole Hamilton from Cup Ceramics Community.
We're located at Unit 10 Foley Trading Estate in Hereford. We found that we really need to replace our roof. At Hereford Yoga Centre, we offer yoga classes for the community of Herefordshire, teach people of all ages, all comers. We do a lot of outreach work in our community, so we work in schools, colleges, in charities, workplaces. So we're really dedicated to bringing the benefits of yoga to the whole community.
Cup Ceramics Community is an open access ceramics studio, and we provide affordable membership through a fixed subscription fee. Our members get a lot out of in terms of social interaction. And in that respect, we're really combating social isolation locally.
So the impact of Iyengar Yoga is proven to be really quite transformative for people's lives. What we're doing is basically bringing the body and the mind into the same place at the same time, so people can just be with themselves as themselves. Physical benefits are huge. You know, we have had people who have been on the list for hip surgery who now don't need it after attending classes. Mental health benefits, huge as well.
We provide a stepping stone for undergrads and graduates from the local art college, but at many places elsewhere as well, to kind of bridging that gap between education and employment. Work with a range of local partners to provide access to the therapeutic side of working with clay. We have thousands of participants a year coming through from the various activities. We need to replace this roof because we do have a problem with condensation dripping down in the winter especially. It's so important for us to get this roof replaced. Although we provide a lot of social impact locally already, we are unable to expand internally until this roof is replaced. It will allow us to build a mezzanine level so we can run our outreach work and our general access to the studio in tandem, which will massively widen our impact.
Our space is really, really important. It's the only dedicated yoga space in Hereford, and we need to make some upgrades so that we can continue to offer and also increase our services. It's so important for us that what we do is not having an adverse impact on our climate, on our planet. We've already created a beautiful community garden to green up the space. What we really need to do next is install solar panels, and we can't do that on the existing roof. It's really good what we do. It really helps people with their health, their well-being, their overall kind of approach to life in a sustainable way.
Please support this really worthwhile cause for the local community. You can visit our crowdfunder page to do so. You can either donate to support, or you can get some amazing rewards if you're more inclined to actually use the services that we provide. Just check out our page, you'll see what's available there. You can also share the page very easily with a link. Please spread the word about this project that will really have a lasting impact on the local community.